The finished Boeing commercial passenger airplane transitions from the assembly line to active service, connecting the world.
Watch your clearance on the left, bring it down slow.
Processing Order 7 Alpha released. Confirming materials transfer to Fabrication Cell 3.
We've got the laser centered on the target pin. Hold it there. Okay, secure the clamps.
Bringing in the next section now. Watch the alignment on the starboard side.
Alignment steady. Window frame secure.
Commencing riveting on flange 4.
Easy now, bring it down 5 more inches.
Clamp positions B and C. Secure them now. Maintain the current position. We are clear for the final alignment sequence.
Confirmed. Sequence initiated.
Final linkage secured. Hydraulic pressure is stable. System ready confirmed. Initiating flap cycle now. Looks good. Clear on the starboard side.
Holding steady. Confirmed torque setting is correct.
Fuselage moving to final position. Speed reduced to 2 millimeters per second. Confirmed contact. Mating sequence complete.
All right, slow it down to 2 centimeters per minute. We're almost there.
Roger that. Holding steady on my mark. Hold the tension on the forward rope.
Steady, steady.
Lower by 5 centimeters. Adjusting position, easy now.
Alignment is secure. Proceed with fastening.
The alignment on the tail section looks perfect. All parameters are within tolerance. Confirmed. We can proceed with the integration.
Lower slightly on my mark, and stop. Alignment is good. Roger that. Drive the pin. Hoist down slowly. Watch the alignment.
Got it. It's seated.
Okay, starting the torque sequence now.
Applying torque to fitting 7.
Confirmed. Moving to the aft connectors.
We need another 2 inches starboard for the alignment pin. Copy that. Adjusting the dolly now.
Okay, center point aligned. Bring her down easy. Contact. Secure the position.
Bring the next panel down slowly. Watch the alignment on the frame. Make sure the harness is fully seated before the tie wrap. Checked. Moving to the next section now.
The airflow looks good right here.
Yes, the specs match the readings on the tablet.
All right, let's move to the next section. Window panel is secure. Moving to the next one. I've got the rails aligned. Pass me the trim support.
Water and waste are connected.
And the power coupling is secure. Looks good.
Look at that.
Looks perfect. Great job, everyone.
Check the alignment on this track. It's clear, 42 inches exactly to the center line. Okay, marking the monument point now.
Oxygen masks, verified. Life vests secured. Exit lighting operational. Checklist complete. Certified.
Panel seated. Start the power sequence.
Running diagnostics now. All indicators green.
Reading nominal on the starboard side.
Confirming calibration sequence complete on F12.
Navigation lights green. Strobes active. Beacons pulsing red. Landing lights on. Boeing logo light illuminated. Checklist complete. Gap checks complete on the cargo door.
Reading within tolerance. Confirmed.
Seal alignment looks perfect here.
Overhead bins secure.
Seat recline. Row 16.
Checked. Galley latch operational.
Reading stable on grid reference C4. Confirmed. No subsurface anomalies detected.
Fastener 402 is secure. The sealant bead looks good. Confirmed on the monitor. Moving to the next section.
Pressure holding steady at 50 psi. No signs of leakage on the center spar. We are good to proceed.
Pressure holding steady at 52 psi. Check. Ultrasonic scan negative on section 3. Copy that. System shows green across the board.
Ground, this is the lift. Pitted heat check successful, moving to AOA vanes now. How are the readings on your end? Flight deck, ground here. APU is online, blue light illuminated. Starting engine sequence. Starter engaged, N1 increasing.
Oil pressure is green. Approaching idle, light off confirmed.
Engine 1 parameters stable. Oil pressure green.
Checked. Checklist complete.
Stand by for right engine ignition.
Ignition confirmed. Pressure's building.
Stable at idle.
Power setting achieved. Confirm all parameters in the green.
Negative. EGT is spiking on engine 2. Requesting partial shutdown.
Recording peak brake temperature, 300 degrees Celsius.
Roger. Decel rates look good.
Maintenance confirms successful high-energy taxi test. All parameters nominal.
Flaps and ailerons, check. Pitot covers clear.
Confirmed. Tires and struts indicate green. Fuel cap secure.
Checklist complete. Flaps 15.
Set. Request taxi to runway.
Taxi granted.
Tower, this is Boeing 787 requesting final clearance for the first flight.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 right, winds calm.
Boeing 787, wind 290 at 10, runway 27 right, cleared for takeoff. V2 established, positive rate, gear up. Climbing to flight level 200. Positive rate.
Gear up.
Flaps 15.
Speed checked, flaps 8.
Flaps up.
Engine parameters stabilizing nicely at 70%.
Acknowledged. Maintaining present course.
Flaps set, speed checked. Approaching minimums. Welcome back to Renton, Boeing 1.
As you can see, the livery details are flawless.
Yep.
It meets all our expectations. Truly magnificent work.
The official documents for the handover, sir. Thank you. We are delighted to accept this beautiful aircraft into our fleet.
Ground crew, this is the flight deck requesting pushback.
Roger. Captain, clear to push. Have a safe flight.
This video is created for educational purpose using AI tools. The script and